Joost, thanks very much for joining us here in Warsaw. It would be good to get from you just what you're seeing in terms of the trends when we're looking at renewable energy and how that relates to building owners, occupiers, particularly in the real estate side.
So what we see is that they see it now as more and more as good governance. We need to do it. They don't think anymore about a specific IRR. And they think that the traditional rooftop lease model is not effective. So they're now seeking to very effective, simple solutions what will decarbonize their assets.
And I know there's a lot of discussion around CRREM pathways. I guess, how is that influencing this focus on renewable energy?
The CRREM pathway is a pathway to monitoring the carbon footprint the building has. The CRREM is changing every year because the energy mix is also changing. So you see more and more differences between the countries where your assets are. So in Poland is much more coal, so the building asset will be earlier stranded than in Norway where there is more renewable energy.
Taking that a logical step further, does that mean your belief is that more investors, building owners, are going to be looking at generating their own energy in terms of security and control?
I think, and what we saw is buildings should be resilient, therefore also your building in high quality to be resilient for environment, weather, etc. The same is what you get is that buildings should be resilient for energy consumption. So producing your own renewable energy and consumption on-site or off-site, but control and ownership will be the new essential part of a building. Also what you see, that was a very beautiful example the people of Colliers were telling. Even 10 years ago, a building would be designed with an extra floor space to put all the cabling of your computers and everything in. Could you imagine the investment you needed to be done in your office? Today, you only put in one small box and all devices is mobile or connected to each other. So this change you also see in renewable energy.
Really interesting to catch up. Fascinating area. Thanks very much for joining us, Joost.
Thank you so much.